Hi everyone, so in this week's tutorial we're gonna learn about this. Okay, so in this Wix tutorial we're gonna learn how you can add contributors to your Wix website. Okay, so to do this, make sure to log into your Wix dashboard. After that, just go up to this one, click on My Sites. Okay, so choose the site you want to add a contributor to. Alright, so let's say I want to add one to this site. Just click on Select Site. Alright, so this will open up the dashboard for this site. Now go to the left sidebar, go down and click on Settings. And this will open up these menu options. Go to Roles and Permissions. Click on that. Okay, so now we have roles and permissions. Invite people to work on this site, assign them to roles and set their permissions. If you like, you can just click on Learn More to read more about this. You find a lot of information right here, okay? So let's go back to the Wix website. Now we can go and click on Invite People right here on this blue button. Click on that. Okay, so this will take us to this page. Invite people to this site. Give people access to the site and assign them roles. And same thing here, you can click on Learn More to learn more about this information. So now we have emails. We can add one email or multiple invites, okay? So let's say I want to add 2 emails as an invite. Just add the email. Alright, so we can click on this one, we can add enter, or we can separate with comma if you want to add more emails. So I'm gonna click on comma. So now we can add another email. So let's try to add this email by clicking on this window, like that. So this will add the email as well. So now we have roles. So select one or more roles for the people you're inviting. To create roles or edit permissions, you can go to Manage Roles right here. So because we don't have any permissions right now, we're gonna go and create one. So we have General Roles. So the first one we have is Admin. It has full access to the site but cannot edit the payment info, delete or duplicate the site. We can always click on View Role Permissions right here, so we know what permissions we are giving to this person. So here you can see that we have 35 permissions. We have Editor, Edit Site, Publish Site. We have Sites. They can invite more people, manage general info. So they have a lot of permissions, okay? So make sure to read about all the permissions before you give someone full control over your site. Then we have Website Manager. Can edit the site, manage settings and app, but cannot access inbox, contacts and other sensitive info. Same thing here, we can click on View Role Permissions, and this one have 18 permissions. And then we have other roles. So you can choose Back Office Manager, Blog Roles, Blog Editor, Blog Writer. Then we have Booking Roles, Booking Admins, Bookings Staff Member. So in order to use this one, you need to set up a Booking Staff Member before you can use this one. Okay, then you need to go to this link. And we have Payment Roles, Payment Manager. Okay. But if you cannot find something that suits your site, you can always create your own role. So you have this one, create new role. Need a custom role? Pick and choose permissions to suit your needs. So we're gonna try this out. Click on this one. Then we have role details. Give this role a title and a short description. So I'm just gonna name this VA. You can add a description Okay, whatever you like. Then we have permissions. So select which action people with this role can perform. We can always search for a permission right here. So let's say I want to search for blog. We find blog, okay? So now we can go through them all. You can click on editor. So you can see, so we have this one, select all if you like. Or you can choose them one by one. So edit site, can edit site, create new site, and manage app settings. And we have publish site, can publish site. And just go through them all and check the permissions that the person needs, all right? So let's say I'm gonna create this VA controls the blog. I'm just gonna go to blog. So let's say I want to have this one, publish post, can edit, publish, and schedule own post. Click on that, go down, and if this is the only thing you want, we're gonna go to this one. Click on save. Okay, so now we have these custom roles. We have the title, VA, we have the description, controls the blog. We can click on view role permissions. So publish post, can edit, publish, and schedule own post. So you can always click on edit role if you need to add more permissions later on. So let's say I want to add another one, moderate blog, like so. Go down and click on save. And now we have updated this custom roles, VA, so we now have 2 permissions. So after that, when you are satisfied, we just go down and click on send invite. So to give your invite a better experience, tell us how you're connected to each other. So this invite is for agencies and freelancers who help me build sites. So I'm gonna click on that and click on done. Okay, so now we can see under roles and permissions, we have these pending invites. Okay, so we can always go and edit this one. We can click on these 3 dots. Now we have change roles, resend invite if they didn't get it. We can click on get invite link if you want to send invite link instead, or you can remove this permission. Okay. So let's say I want to remove this one. Click on remove. So are you sure you want to remove this email? Once removed, they won't be able to access this site. If yes, click on remove. Alright, so now we only have 1 invite left. So I'm just gonna go and accept this invite. Okay, so everything is accepted. Now we can see that this pending message is gone. We have joined at November 26, 2020. We can see information, controls the blog, VA, and you can always go to these 3 dots and click on change roles or remove this user. Okay. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add a contributor to your Wix website. I hope this helped. And also I'm a Wix partner. That means you can hire me if you need some help with building your website or customize something on your Wix website. You find all the contact information below in the description. Okay everyone, so I hope this video was helpful. If you like this one, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here if you like this video. And if you want, you can check out my latest video right here. And I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.